Now for today's holiday beauty must-haves, here's Dawn McCarthy and Missy Lovett.
The holiday countdown is on, and one of our favorite Powerhouse serums is from Foster's Lab. It repairs, protects, and renews your skin, and is a celebrity fan favorite.
Well, what's so great about this serum is that it's packed full of ingredients that you would normally spend hundreds of dollars on multiple serums, and this is also a go-to of mine when I'm on set doing makeup.
Well, what I like about it, it's under $50 and protects from environmental pollutions and from blue light, since we're all spending a little bit too much time in front of our screens lately.
And with multiple anti-inflammatories, this will give you brighter skin tone, and it's going to help reduce any acne with ingredients like Bakuchiol, vitamins A and C, and cacao seed extract.
And this is a company with a history dating back to 1895. And today, with Thomas and Anthony at the helm, the Foster's name will live on.
I just think that's so amazing.
Well, now for my favorite everyday go-to must-have stocking stuffer, lipstick and lip gloss from Royal Roulette.
Not only are you going to look good in this lipstick, but you are going to feel good because they donate $1 from every product purchased to a charity. And this line is vegan, cruelty-free, and non-GMO.
And right now, till the end of the year, all their lip products are $10. And Alex, who is the CEO, actually used to be a celebrity tour DJ for Rihanna, Elton John, and Jimmy Buffett. And then he decided to follow into the family business of beauty, which he grew up with.
Well, and I love that he names all his products after people, places, and things from his life. And as a mom of teen daughters, how cute is this lip gloss that he named after his daughter Addison? It's called Attitude Nude.
Well, I like Shimmy Shimmy Cocoa Bop and wearing it right now over my Rihanna red.
I love how you layered that.
Well, now that we've covered skin and makeup for our stockings, I was so excited to now be able to purchase Guy Tang's hair care line under $35 at Ulta.com, since I knew it was only available to professionals like you.
Well, when on set, I have to make sure my client's hair holds its style while looking shiny and fabulous. And guys, my Control Medium Sculpting Spray, it's not your regular hairspray, Dawn. It doesn't feel sticky, wet, or hard, which I know you hate.
Yeah, no one wants crunchy hair.
Well, this super fine mist creates a touchable, movable hold that you're gonna love.
Let's see.
And you guys, you can also layer it, and it helps with bulking up the hair for volume. And I have really dark hair, and I love that this spray doesn't have that white cast that kind of mutes the vibrancy of the hair, but instead it actually adds shine and makes hair look super healthy.
So that's your secret. Okay, please add that to my stocking.
And one last product that's a must for any beauty lover stocking is lashes. And Dawn, what's your must-have?
Well, my must-have is a satin pillowcase for my beauty sleep. This is great for men and women. So go to dawnscorner.com to get more information on any of these products we featured. And happy holidays, everyone.
And Happy New Year.